Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, i-vlog ko ang ating celebration today, which is Friendsgiving for Thanksgiving. So actually, this is a Thanksgiving break for us and walang work. So meron kaming celebration dito na tinatawag nila na Friendsgiving for Thanksgiving Day. So yan guys, ito yung aming preparation and maraming pagkain guys. Alam nyo na, United States of America. So makikita nyo yung mga different foods ng mga puti. Tsaka ito yung mga bisita namin. We have here the different kinds of food. Yan, yung daughter ko, siya yung nagluluto. Siya yung nag-prepare ng mga karne para lutuin. So yan, tinutokso ko pa siya kung bakit siya nagluluto. So yun lang, tawa ng tawa siya guys. So medyo maikli lang yung video na to. And happy Friendsgiving. Thank you guys. See ya.